Friends, hello friends, we will learn how Flutter column main function. Within the main function, run application is called, which takes a widget as a parameter. Widgets is the building block of the UI component in an application. Using a widget, user can create own UI effortlessly. Everything in a Flutter application is the widget, like text, a bar, header, image. List of the things are widget in the Flutter. In this screen, you can see we have a bar and we have some text. List having some text, which are the individual widgets. Inside a list contain a child widgets. Entire page is the widget called scaffold. Is the root of the widget tree. Widget is not also UI component. It also contains the business logic and programming logics. Example, some buttons are not only contain the visual of the button, but it also contain the logic of a button click. Imagine a Flutter application using a tree-like structure. Scaffold is the root of the widget tree. There is a app bar and container. Container widgets contain the column, and column contain the two child as a two text view and one rest button. We have see all in a theoretically. Let's jump into practical part. As we know, Flutter require main function on main.dart file. We will proceed to create a one void main. Inside it, we call a run app function which takes root widget as the parameter inside it. Now, run app showing a error associated with it. We will resolve it later. Now, we define a class which will act as the widget. Will be extended by stateless widgets. There are two types of widget, stateless and stateful. Stateless is generally used when we have to draw something static page. We are not taking any dynamically data. But stateful widget is generally used when we have to redraw some data on the UI. It is generally used to show dynamically data rendered on the UI of the application. Now we will extend it using a stateless widget. It inherit all the properties of the stateless widget in my application class. Now there is an error, so we need to import class stateless widget, which is in a material app package. So we import a statement flutter material.dart. Now run app require as a root widget. We want to override the property of the class. So we override allow own property inside the class as well. While we define a build method. Build method take context. Build context is the object that contain a metadata of the application. At last, it returns something which is a widget. Widgets always return the widgets. Here it return a material app is appear as a widget which wrap your entire application like home, theme, navigation, which contain name argument that finally called scaffold widget. It is the basic concept of how a Flutter works. The material app we will see in a next video. Thank you.